For government agencies and municipalities worried about their PDFs violating Title II compliance under the ADA, this video shows you exactly how to ensure your PDF content meets minimum color contrast standards using Adobe Acrobat Pro and achieves Title II compliance under the ADA. Whether your residents are colorblind, low vision, or use assistive technology, color contrast can be the difference between residents being able to read your PDF content or not. By the way, this is an Accessibility Officer Pro tip, straight from our comprehensive guide, PDF Accessibility Simplified. Get access to the entire guide for free, linked below. Now, to get started, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. In the left-hand pane or top menu, click on All Tools. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar and find Prepare for Accessibility. After selecting Prepare for Accessibility, click Check for Accessibility. Now you're in the Accessibility Checker options pop-up. Click Start Checking. This brings up the Accessibility Checker panel. Look under Document and then locate Contrast Minimum. If color contrast issues are found, Adobe Acrobat Pro will list them in the report. Review all of the flagged elements and adjust your colors accordingly in the source file. Pro tip: Adobe's Accessibility Checker isn't that great. It often misses issues, especially those contained within images. Manually checking other images and elements for color contrast violations is a best practice, so do that. Now let's check with the Color Contrast Analyzer tool itself. After opening the tool, select the foreground color, that's the text, and then select the background color. The tool will then tell you if it passes the minimum color contrast ratios. For normal text, the minimum color contrast ratio is 4.5 to 1. And for large text, the minimum color contrast ratio is 3 to 1. Large text is text that's 18 points or larger, or 14 points or larger if bolded. I know, we get it, it's confusing, and ADA compliance can get overwhelming quickly. By the way, those new Title II regulations take effect April 24th, 2026. You can get the exact process Accessibility Officer uses for PDF accessibility for free using the link below. Want to take ADA compliance off your plate completely? Learn why cities and state agencies from New York to California choose Accessibility Officer as their digital accessibility partner to achieve and maintain Title II compliance under the ADA. Learn more at AccessibilityOfficer.com. Accessibility Officer. Ability is our middle name.